Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about changing gear clutch control. Many learners, they get confused when they change gear. They get confused with the footwork. They get confused whether to brake first, or is it the gas comes up first, or is it the clutch goes down, or how does it work? How does my feet work when I'm changing gear? Many learners, they get confused. So in this video, I like to share with you how to change gear. What is the clutch control? How does your feet works when you are changing gear? Let's start the lesson. Okay, so in a manual car, we have to change gear every now and again because our gear works with our speed. When we go up gear. When we go down gear. So the question is, how do I change gear? So let's talk about how to change gear when we are speeding up, and then we'll talk about how to change gear when we are reducing the speed, when we are braking. So first of all, speeding up. Your feet is going to be on the gas and you are speeding up. Now you want to change gear because the speed is high. You need to go to higher gear. So what do? Off gas, clutch down, same time. So one comes up, one goes down. So your gas comes up and the clutch goes down, same time. Okay, not one up and then down. So one goes up, one goes down. What goes up? So the gas comes up fully, so you don't give any gas anymore. Your feet is going to be on top of the gas and the clutch goes down. Then you change gear. One other thing I like to add on is when the clutch goes down, is quickly. Down is quickly. Okay, so gas comes up, clutch goes down quickly. You change gear. Once you've changed gear, bring the clutch up halfway slowly. And this is important. Goes down quickly, but comes up slowly. Okay, so it comes up to the biting point. You give a little pause, and then you give a little gas. And then the remaining clutch comes up really slowly. Okay, so let me repeat. You are increasing the speed. Okay, your right feet is going to be on the gas, and your left feet is on the floor. You increase your speed. Now you want to change gear. You cover your clutch, off gas, clutch down, same time, and quickly clutch down. Change gear. Once you've changed gear, bring the clutch up halfway, give a little gas, and the rest of the clutch comes up. Okay, that's how you change gear when you are increasing the speed. If you need to slow the car for some reason, then obviously according to the speed, you will go down gear as well. You'll have to change gear. So for you to slow the car, obviously your feet is going to be on the brake and you are braking. You brake, and then when the speed is down, you need to go down gear. While your feet is on the brake, put the clutch down, go to the gear you need, maybe from third to second or from fourth to third. And if your speed is still high, keep braking and bring the clutch up slowly. If you think the speed is too slow, then bring the clutch up. As you are near to the end, give a little gas and the rest comes up. Does it make sense? Now let's talk about changing gear when you are going up. So when you're increasing the speed, how do you change gear? Your feet is on the gas and your left feet is on the floor. And you're increasing the speed. Now you want to change gear. You cover the clutch. Okay, cover the clutch. Don't touch, cover. Off gas, clutch down quickly, same time. Change gear. Bring the clutch slowly to the biting point. Give a little gas and the rest clutch comes up. Okay, so let me repeat. Off gas, clutch down quickly, same time. Change gear. Bring the clutch up halfway slowly. Give a little gas and the rest clutch up slowly all the way up. Remember, when it goes down is quickly and when it comes up is slowly. Okay, now you want to change gear when you are reducing, meaning you need to slow down for some reason and then you change gear down. So now you are driving as normal and you need to slow down for some reason. So you are braking. You brake, and then now you want to change gear. You keep braking, cover the clutch, put the clutch down quickly, change gear, and if you feel the speed is still too high, keep braking and bring the clutch up really slowly all the way up. Okay? But if you feel the speed is too slow, then when you bring the clutch up, as you bring the clutch up, you just give a little gas. When the clutch is halfway, give a little gas and the rest comes up. So let me repeat that again. You need to slow, you brake, cover the clutch, clutch down, change gear. If you feel the speed is high, keep braking, bring the clutch up all the way slowly. Done. Okay? But if you feel the speed is too low, so your feet is down, you've changed gear, now you feel the speed is too slow, bring the clutch up halfway, give a little gas, and the rest comes up all the way. Okay? If you need extra help on learning to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. I will leave a link on the description below for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Also, if you are looking for short-term insurance and maybe you want to go to the test with your own car or family member's car, or maybe you want to do some training in your own car or your family member's car, and you are looking for short-term insurance, maybe for a few hours or maybe half a day, full day, or maybe a few days or even few weeks, you are looking for short-term insurance, you can use Go Shorty. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look and see. If you need it, you could always use them. And that's it for this video. I hope it helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.